Pat with Right Channel Radios. This is our Fiberglass Flex antenna. This antenna is very similar to the popular Wilson Flex, except for it's available in 2 foot, 3 foot, and 4 foot lengths, while the Wilson Flex is only available in 4 foot. Like the Flex, it does have a tunable tip with one just Allen screw adjustment to release the tip to slide up and down. And this antenna does not have the additional ground lead at the bottom like the Wilson Flex does. That's not necessarily important, as most Wilson Flex users would just clip that off anyway. You can see the antenna is very flexible, so it's going to be ideal for using on vehicles that are going to be in areas that have a lot of low-hanging brush, things like that. Now keep in mind, you're not necessarily going to get the same SWR out of an antenna like this as you would a Firestick FS, but buying a Flex antenna is a nice way to get an antenna that's going to obviously be flexible in those off-road conditions and avoid having to buy a spring. If you're looking for something that's just going to do local communication with your Jeep group, this thing's a good way to go.